Justin for Blue Collar Survival, and today I'll be doing a review on the, let's see if I can do this without butchering it. This is the only time I'm really going to try it. The Überleben Zünden Ferro rod. And I figured since we're doing a ferro rod, it'd be a great day to go ahead and go outside. So alright guys, let's get on with this review. If you're new to my channel and you're into the budget knife and gear reviews, hit that subscribe button down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this review. We will start first with the tool that comes with it. So it's a multi-tool, I guess you could say. It has a ruler with your millimeters on it. You have a scraping for scraping tinder into real fine little, almost like little tiny rolls. You can also scrape the magnesium stick or your ferro rod that way to get some of that laid down there to help assist start the fire. It has a map scale on the back side. I believe I'd say 1/4 inch hex wrench / bottle opener. And the striker itself, there's only one side to strike on, and you can feel the lip on it for what catches that. Right, and it comes with your paracord lanyard. And I really like this unfinished hardwood handle. Like they said in their thing, it can get your own patina on it basically, or like they said, seasoning, dirty hands and all that. But for the deal for this one here, it comes in 3 sizes, and I'll kind of go over a little bit. They're a new company. They've been around since March of 2016. Überleben in German means to survive, and Zünden, I don't know if I'm even saying it right, but Zünden means to ignite, fire, burn, etc. So you got to survive and fire. Like I said, very important. Everybody should know how to use one of these and start a fire. If you live in town, you can just, practice in a coffee can or something small. I live out in the country, so I can just go outside and shower sparks off the front porch and not have to worry about it. But definitely something everybody should practice. Perfect practice makes perfect. You want to be able to light a fire. You ain't always going to be able to have a lighter on hand, and if your lighter gets wet, you're screwed. That's one thing about this. It will fire wet or dry. They use very high quality materials on this. It is a German company, made in Germany. Comes in 3 sizes. Traditional, which is, excuse me, 5/16 inch thick. It offers 12,000 strokes and it weighs 1.7 ounces. The Pro, it is 3/8 of an inch, 15,000 strikes and 2.2 ounces. And this one is the Fatty, which is a 1/2 inch. It has 20,000 strikes and it weighs 3.1 ounce. Price wise, traditional is 16, Pro is 18, and this one is 22. Really good bang for your buck. About 2 3/4 inches, I would say, for what sticks out for the ferro rod. Lots of control with this hardwood handle. Sparks fly at around 5,000, about 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit or 3,000 degrees Celsius. Absolutely great product. I really do recommend these. There's a lot of ferro rods companies out there, and I don't know how many of you guys, I know a lot of us that play around with these things, we've run into some of the cheap Chinese ones, and they just don't quite throw a spark like some other companies do. Definitely a good company to look into for the price. Amazon and their website both are the exact same, so you can go either way with that. I will actually put a link in the description down below to both of those sites. But overall, guys, absolutely great ferro rod. Great price on it. Good craftsmanship. I love the traditional feel of how they did the wood. A lot of companies have gone to the plastic, and I do like that. I just love the way it feels in hand. Like I said, after using it for a while with your dirty hands out in the bush, it's going to have a real nice look to it. Get a nice dark finish almost. Alright guys, well that's all I really got for this. Leave me some comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing, and you guys stay safe. Alright, so now we're done with the review. We'll go ahead with a quick demonstration. Not really going to do, I'm just going to do a demonstration. I'm not going to get into all kinds of stuff. That should be for something else. These are just a few things I generally keep in my fire starting bag. I got my petroleum cotton balls. It's a little windy outside, so I'll hold, oh, that went right through. And then I carry a little bit of manila rope with me. This stuff, just, I mean, little pieces. You can just break it up and kind of get that on the other side of your, a little bit above. And I mean, like I said, it don't take much. This is just a third of the strand. And I know there's several ways to do the striking of it. And you can also, you know, you can use the spinier knife. A lot of survival knives, they keep the back spine sharp. This has got that sharp edge, like I said in the review. And, alright, let's see. So, there we go. You got you a little fire. I generally use the shorter strokes for lighting. They're more controlled than the making the shower. Shower is fun. It's fun to throw a shower into some dry grass and just get it going. But yeah, so the thing for the money, I mean, it's a great deal, and I love this handle on it. It's just, it gives such control when working with it. I would probably am going to replace this with my own paracord that's on here. And yeah, absolutely great. All right, guys, I just figured I'd show a quick demonstration, and there it is. I started a fire. And as any of you know, fire is probably one of the most important survival skills to be had. I mean, without fire, if crap hits the fan and you don't know how to start a fire without a lighter and you run out of lighter fluid, you're screwed, my friend. Alright guys, Justin for Blue Collar Survival. Throw me some comments down below. Let's have a chat. You guys stay sharp.